Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to fix Facebook Watch video missing. So to get started, you need to head over on your Facebook application. So do you also want to watch videos on the Facebook, but on the top bar you don't see any videos watch option? So how can we fix this problem is on the upper right corner there is the hamburger button. Tap on that. Now when you scroll down, you'll get the option of setting in privacy. Tap on it, and on the drop down box you need to tap on settings. Once you are on the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down, and under the preference there is the navigation bar. Tap on navigation bar, and on the top there itself there is customize the bar. You need to tap on that. Once you're on the shortcuts bar, when you scroll down, there is the video option, but on the bottom of the screen, the video option is set on the hidden. So when you tap on hidden, there is the option of pin, auto and hide. When you tap on hide, watch video won't be shown on the navigation bar, so you can tap on auto. When you tap on auto, watch video will be set on auto, and when you come back to the home screen of Facebook and refresh the Facebook application once, the watch video that has been missing will be appear on the navigation bar, and you can easily watch the videos on the Facebook. I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads on our channel. Thank you.